It's another beautiful day in South Carolina, and you're watching a video tour of 115 Wading Bird Loop in Blythewood. And by the time we finish this video, you'll know whether or not you're ready to call this beautiful property your home. I'm positive you will. Before we go inside, I want to quickly show you around the neighborhood. Then we'll take a look out back and wrap up in your new home. Welcome home. Wow, where do I start? So the front door opens right up into the foyer area where we are now. And then to our left, we've got our formal dining room, and to our right, we've got our formal living room, which is where we'll briefly start. There's just so much to show about this space today that it's gonna be a journey. Walk with me. So that's our formal living room, and we are now looking in our formal dining area. So there's a lot of beautiful accents. You see the ceiling and the beautiful chandelier there. Now, we've got a pantry here, or excuse me, a butler's pantry that will actually take us to the family room directly ahead. But I owe it to you to really give you a view that you and your guests will see as they come into the home. So we're back in that entry here. Now to our right, 4 of the 5 bedrooms are going to be upstairs. We also have a bedroom downstairs, which we'll look at in a moment. And then here we've got a half bathroom for your guests. And now for the crown jewel of this main floor. We are now entering into the family room and kitchen. Just a great, expansive, open space, as we can see. It's just perfect for entertaining, I would say. This room lets in a lot of that beautiful, natural South Carolina light. It also overlooks the backyard. And here's our kitchen. Now, before I dive any deeper into the kitchen, I want to just show you the backyard. I know you looked at the outside, but let's take a quick look at this screened-in porch. So it's a great space here that lets you enjoy the outside, keeping those mosquitoes and pests away. Again, this is just a great space for entertaining, I would say. You'll notice that we've got the string lights already installed and a TV mount. Perfect for game day. All right, let's head back on inside. And so we are now standing in the breakfast nook or breakfast area, looking at the kitchen. It's a beautiful, huge island, really. And next we got the pantry. Normally I don't spend time looking at a pantry because a pantry is a pantry, right? But not this one. All this space is so large, it's got 2 doors. And this is going to take us right into the mud room leading to the garage directly ahead of us. And when we come out, it's going to give you another angle of that kitchen. So just a great space here. Again, open floor plan really allows you to use your imagination on how to best utilize this space. And I really think it is great for someone who likes to entertain guests. Just my humble opinion. With that said, let's go ahead and take a look at these bedrooms. So before we go upstairs, we're going to look at this bedroom downstairs. Another thing that I want to point out, if you haven't noticed, are the high ceilings throughout. I believe all of these ceilings are at least 9 feet high, which really just gives that feeling of more space. And then this room, I would say, would be ideal for a queen, but it could absolutely accommodate a king-size bed. Same goes for all the bedrooms. And so we have a bathroom attached here, standalone shower. All right. And then we've also got a coat closet here to the left. Now, as we head upstairs, I want to remind you that you can apply for this home at www.wadingbirdloop.com. www.rpmmidlands.com, or you can give our office a call at 803-403-8838. So we are now upstairs, and this is a lot of space. I'm going to give you a quick preview before we walk around. So to our right, we've got our laundry room here, one of the bedrooms. Next to that is a bathroom. Off in the corner, we've actually got the primary suite. But first, we're going to start to our left, where we've got 2 bedrooms here directly ahead of us, and then one to our left. So we're going to start here. So another great space here. Again, this would be ideal for a queen, but can absolutely accommodate a king-size bed. Got the French door closets there. And from here, we're going to head directly across the hall to the next bedroom. Now, I would say that this room is a little bit bigger than the one that we just saw. So again, definitely can accommodate a king-size bed. And it's also got a bathroom attached, which we'll look at in a moment. But one thing I do want to quickly show you is that this room actually has a walk-in closet as well. And so with that, we're going to go into the bathroom here. So we can see a very efficient use of space here. The cool thing about this bathroom is you see this second door, which is going to take us back out to the hallway. Now to our right is going to be the primary suite. But first, we're going to look to our left at the bonus room. So we are now inside the bonus room, often referred to as the frog or finished room over garage, in case you're ever on Jeopardy. But a great space here. It just very big, high ceilings. It just allows you to use your imagination again on how you want to best utilize that room. And so we're going to head directly across the hall to the primary suite. So I would say this is the crown jewel of the second level. We've got tray ceilings, as we can see here. Just a huge space, can easily accommodate a king-size bed. Really can get a couple of beds in here. And again, a lot of natural light, and these windows do overlook that huge backyard. And so this is going to take us into the bathroom. Say hi to the camera guy. So we've got dual vanity. That door directly ahead is the water closet. We've got a standalone shower. And of course, a walk-in closet. I'll briefly show you that. Again, huge space here. It's got something of a partition. Alright, so we're heading back out to the hallway. We're going to turn left, going back towards the stairwell. So to the right, we've got a linen closet. And then to our left, we've got the other hall bath. So we've got dual vanity in here. Again, high ceilings, just like we have all throughout the entire property. Directly ahead of us is the laundry room. Ample storage here. And I think the fact that it's on the second level just really adds to the convenience as well. This is the final bedroom. And again, this would absolutely be ideal for a king-size bed. You can easily accommodate that. And this room has a walk-in closet as well. So ample storage. Excellent. I hope you had as much of a great time viewing this property as I have had showing it. Again, you can apply for this beautiful property at www.rpmmidlands.com. Or of course, give our office a call at 803-403-8838.